Hi everybody, it's Bouncing Fig. It's me again, and we are going to have more breakfast, my favorite meal of the day. I am actually at Kampung, Sungai, Penchala. It is such a little gem, and it's in Kuala Lumpur. It's a little kampung in a city, and it's a lovely place. I come here very often, and they've got fantastic food, but I am here at my favorite place to eat roti canai. Okay, so roti canai, you can find it everywhere, and I know many of you have eaten roti canai and eat it at mamak's and lots of places, 24-hour places. But let me tell you one thing, I have a soft spot for Malay style roti canai, which is a bit thicker, a bit fluffier, and you've got, you know, loads of planta, and if you leave it around, it's still nice and soft. It's really unique. So let me show you what a really yummy Malay roti canai is.
Sini dia punya makanan kampung dia memang terasa lagi lah.
Apa yang special roti canai?
Special kat sini kami ada roti roll cheese dengan roti sarang burung.
Sarang burung?
Sarang burung.
Dalam sarang burung ni ada apa?
Ada margarin. Dalam dia ni ada telur mata.
Yang tu rekaan pasir?
Tak ada rekaan juga. Kita ambil, ada video juga.
Semua ada?
Ada.
Oh, baru-baru lah tu?
Dalam setahun juga lah. Tak ada berapa lah, setahun juga lah. Daripada saya sekolah sampai sekarang, sini lontong dia, lontong tu memang bagi saya kelas lah. Nasi lemak dia, rendang dia memang terasa sangat. Daripada gerai kecil, sebelum ni jalan ni tak besar, jalan kecil je. Dia daripada gerai kecil jadi besar. Nasi lemak dia masih rasa macam dulu. Daripada arwah bapak dia sampai ke anak.
I started ordering all sorts of different things, and of course I'm alone and I can't order everything, but really the key stuff that I come here for. Number one, it's the roti canai. The roti canai here is absolutely amazing. It's how I remembered it. My late grandmother used to make it, nice and crispy, Malay style. And like Abang was saying just now, there's a special one called the roti canai sarang burung, which is a bird's nest. Very cute. It has this sort of round roti dough, and then you crack eggs in the middle, so just like a nest. It's absolutely cute. You have never tried anything so delicious. The combination of the dal, which is a very Malay style dal, and the sambal is absolutely gorgeous. And it's still very fluffy and crispy. Historically here, people use a lot of planta, which is actually margarine. And in a real good Malay roti canai, you can actually taste the flavor of the planta come out. And it is just really subtle and yummy. The other thing that I really love, and I always order it, if you come and eat with me in a roti canai stall, I'm always ordering a roti sardine. And here, just as crispy, I put a little bit of the sauce. Okay, I just want to see if you can hear the crispiness of this. Oh, it's so crispy, so crispy. A Malay style breakfast restaurant or stall will not be complete without our, you know, national dish, which is the nasi lemak. And I have a soft spot for nasi lemak that it's very old school, very kampung style, and over here you can definitely find it. And look at that. I love cockles, and if you've seen some of my videos, I just keep going for cockles, or you know. And you can see over here there's a bit of a sort of a brownish tinge. It's quite dark in terms of color because they use really authentic santan, which is coconut milk, and the sambal is very spicy. None of that sweet stuff usually you'll find in a kampung nasi lemak. So, oh wow. If you've seen some other videos that I've done, I love lontong. And lontong are just is just like this bowl of beautifully compressed rice, or they call it nasi impit. And then they have lovely a coconut broth, a lovely coconut broth with vegetables. Let's try that. Oh yeah, you can really taste the naturalness of the coconut, and you know, you've got eggs here. It's totally complete breakfast as well. So 123 Corner has actually been around for a very, very long time, and you know, the guys are super busy. It's breakfast here, and you know, they don't have time to talk to me, but I need to tell you a little bit about this store. So their late father, you know, he's no longer around, but he started this shop, and people who live in this village, or you know, Kampung Sungai Penchala, they've been coming here for years and years, and he was the head of the entire restaurant, and he's very well remembered as someone who really brought great Kampung food to Kampung Sungai Penchala. And today, everyone who's working at the restaurant are either his children, or you know, they call him sepupu. You know, the whole family comes together to make this work, and you know, his legacy lives on. This restaurant lives on. They make absolutely delicious food, and everyone I've talked to, that's what they tell me, how, you know, Malay food that is very authentic, very Kampung style, still lives on in these little pockets of the city. There are not many left, and it's one of the reasons why I love coming to these places, because they're such gems. People hang out, and they're so warm, but you know, it's not going to last very long if we don't support them. So I think it's really important for us to come and visit, and you know, just buy the food, taste the authenticity, and of course enjoy all the modernities around us. But you know, I hope we get to see more of these places. But of course, it's a lot more. It's a lot easier said than done, because the legacy still has to live on through their family members, the younger generation. I absolutely love it here.